Last month, YouTube paid me $839.17 for videos I uploaded on this channel where I rarely, if ever, make an appearance on camera. I think in all, I only have 2 videos where I actually get on camera, and I'm earning this money with a small YouTube channel that has less than 4,000 subscribers. So in today's video, I thought I'd share with you 5 ways in which you too can also make money on YouTube without showing your face. So if you're looking to add an extra $500 to $1,000 per month to your income with YouTube, but you don't want to get on camera, then this is the video for you. But please do me a quick favor and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That would greatly help me out. I really do appreciate it. So there are a bunch of ways to make money on YouTube, but today I'm specifically talking about making money with YouTube Adsense. YouTube Adsense is a simple way to earn money on YouTube by displaying ads before, during, and after your video content. Google, which owns YouTube, will do all the legwork for you in finding advertisers who want to place their ads in front of your audience. All you have to do is press record and upload. And again, you don't even need to show your face on YouTube to make this money. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do all of this coming up. Now, to weed out everyone who's not serious about consistently creating great content to upload on YouTube, YouTube did put some requirements in place that you must meet prior to getting paid your first YouTube paycheck. My channel recently met these requirements, and these include having a minimum of 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your videos. Now, you may be thinking these numbers sound unreachable, but that's not true. All I did and all you have to do is decide on a topic to discuss on your channel and then upload consistently. Easy, right? Well, there is one more thing, the YouTube algorithm. There's a very specific way that YouTube wants you to upload your videos in order for them to understand who to show your content to. If you can satisfy this request, then you'll get on the YouTube algorithm's good side and YouTube will start showing your videos to more people. More people viewing your videos mean more advertisers will want to get in front of your audience and the more money you'll make. So to help you out, I've placed a free resource in the descriptions of this YouTube video that will take the guesswork out of what the YouTube algorithm wants from you. It's free. Simply check underneath this video for the link after you're done watching this video. Now let's get into the 5 ways you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. The first method is by using quality stock video footage to create video content on YouTube. This is the method I use to create videos on YouTube. Personally, I simply prefer to be behind the scenes more instead of in front of the camera, or at least for now. So using royalty-free stock video footage helps me do just that. You may have already seen many of these types of videos on YouTube. Motivational channels, for example, are well known for using only stock footage and voiceovers to create captivating videos that make you want to go out there and accomplish something big. Ever catch any of these videos on YouTube? These videos typically get millions of views and can get you to your first 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch hours quickly, and to making YouTube AdSense money faster. These video creators are getting paid to put stock video footage together for you to watch and get inspired. That's a pretty neat way to make money on YouTube. In my case, I like to put stock video footage together to share money-making and wealth-building information on my channel. In this video, for instance, it's all about how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Now, one thing I would caution you with is using free stock footage found online. Many of these free stock videos have not been checked for copyright issues and can get your channel demonetized quickly by YouTube. Where to buy video stock footage. If you want ease of mind and worry-free licensing videos for your YouTube channel, then places such as Envato Elements, ArtGrid, and VideoHive offer subscription-based services for access to thousands of royalty-free videos. Once you have your stock footage, then use any video editor to stitch these videos together and add your voiceovers. Adobe Premiere, Camtasia, and Filmora are just some video editing softwares to start checking out. The second method to making money on YouTube without showing your face is to conduct interviews. This method works best when you dial in on a niche topic. For instance, you can interview experts in a certain field, such as social media experts, nutritionists, local city historians, or interview millionaire or billionaire entrepreneurs, such as Omar is doing on his channel. Omar conducts interviews of some of the most successful people on the planet. I think this is a genius idea because it means you don't have to actually create the content yourself. The person on the other end of the interview is actually creating the content for you while you fire off questions for them to answer. Now, Omar does get on camera to conduct his interviews, but this same concept can work without you being in front of the camera. Simply check out the Soft White Underbelly channel by photographer Mark Leda, where Mark conducts interviews and portraits of America's forgotten people. Quick disclaimer, Mark's channel is simply to show you an example of how to conduct interviews without getting on camera. It can be pretty tough for some to watch interviews of the people Mark features on his channel in case you decide to check it out later on. Conducting interviews of others for your YouTube channel can be a great way for you to flex your interview skills as well as make money on YouTube in the process. The third method to making money on YouTube without showing your face is by producing with me YouTube videos. Yes, I did say with me videos as in clean with me videos. Remember those? They became particularly popular during the 2020 health crisis lockdown, where people would record themselves cleaning their house for hours on end. People simply love watching these videos. It's a bit satisfying to some degree to be able to share that sort of intimate part of someone's life for the entire world to see and to also help motivate others to clean. Well, there are also study with me silently for 3 hours with soothing background noise such as falling rain type of YouTube videos and cook with me silent ASMR videos. Some people simply like to come to YouTube just to hang out with you silently, and you don't even need to be on camera for them to enjoy your company. Just check out the abundance of study with me videos on YouTube and you'll begin to see the popularity of this very small but very addictive niche. So that begs the question, what type of with me video can you create and upload to YouTube without showing your face, of course? Let me know your ideas in the comment section down below. The fourth method to making money on YouTube without showing your face is by creating whiteboard animation videos. These are videos designed to look like the content is being hand-drawn on a school whiteboard or on white background, and they're actually not that hard to create. In fact, some of my earlier YouTube videos featured this style of animated whiteboard video creation. In general, these videos tend to be more fun and engaging for people to watch, which is a definite plus for staying on the YouTube algorithm's good side. Many people use these animation videos as explainer videos, essentially where you break down a complex issue or topic into something easier to understand. Others, such as myself and my friend John Davis, use animation style video to create engaging YouTube videos. Here's one such video I created a year ago explaining 7 legit ways to make money and passive income online. This video was my first attempt at creating a whiteboard animation style video, and I think it came out pretty alright for my first time. But my friend John Davis really knocked it out of the park with this style video. His video, 10 YouTube channel ideas without showing your face, has been viewed over 700,000 times. And at the time of this recording, this video earns him the most amount of money with YouTube Adsense. Pretty cool for a whiteboard animated video. By the way, if you need more YouTube channel ideas that don't require you to show your face, then I would definitely recommend watching John's video. He offers a ton of great ideas and his video is really entertaining to watch. Softwares for creating animated whiteboard videos. There are 2 popular softwares you can use to create whiteboard style videos. The one I used for my videos was VideoScribe, which I found to be easy to use and affordable. A second popular software is Doodly, but there are also other softwares on the market that you can check out as well. So compare each one and decide which one fits your needs best if you decide to use this type of video creation for your YouTube channel. The fifth method to making money on YouTube without showing your face is by producing DIY videos. If you have a crafty bone in your body, then here is where you can use your skills to make money on YouTube. Now, the best and easiest channel to show you as an example of how to create these style videos is one you have probably seen around on your YouTube feed or in your Facebook feed. It's the 5-Minute Crafts YouTube channel. Anything that has to do with crafting hacks or life hacks, you'll find on this channel. Their channel is mainly a conglomerate of neat crafty projects put together in a way that is informative and entertaining. Another example is the Dazzling Designs by Denise channel, where Denise shares crafty home projects. Her videos are pleasing to the eye and don't require you to be on camera. Now, if you really want to explode your DIY channel quickly, then one way to do that is to create crafty video ideas around an upcoming holiday. For example, with the 4th of July holiday just around the corner, you can create a 4th of July themed DIY wreath video, or maybe a budget-friendly 4th of July themed backyard party using only Dollar Tree decoration items. Well, you get the idea. Now, anytime there's an upcoming holiday, guess what happens? There's a huge spike in search volume for keywords related to that holiday. So by creating holiday-themed videos, you'll start to immediately pull in some of that audience searching for your video. These 5 YouTube channel video ideas without showing your face can become your gateway to earning money with YouTube Adsense. But if you want to learn how to start making money on YouTube, even if your channel is not yet monetized, then make sure to check out my next video where I share with you how to start doing YouTube affiliate marketing so you can start making money from day one on YouTube. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.